I'm Guy Lane, and this is the Planet Report. An extreme weather system characterised by an intense continent-wide heatwave and unimaginatively named hell by the mainstream media continues to cause havoc in Europe. Blamed on a body of hot air moving in from the Sahara, hell has buckled roads and rail lines in Germany, caused the French to cancel schools, and, according to The Guardian, 90 people have drowned in Poland trying to cool off in lakes or rivers. 27 people in Lithuania have died in the same way. A lot of hot air indeed. In other hell-related news, an organisation called the Australian Religious Response to Climate Change, or just ARRCC for short, have flatly rejected an offer from Perium Religion to contribute to their No Faith in Coal campaign. ARRCC, a motley crew of Christians, Muslims, Buddhists and some guy who looks like a cross between a pagan-hippy with a goat horn and a gay liberation activist, have sent a letter countersigned by 150 leaders of mainstream religions to ScoMo, Australia's pentacostalist PM, pleading with him not to contribute to the eradication of life on Earth via climate change for religious reasons. The callous rejection of Perium's humble request is highly irregular, albeit not unexpected, given that Perium Religion is actually devoted to the living planet, not God, and ARRCC is a supposedly climate-focused, multi-faith organisation, despite the thinly veiled reference to Christian mythology in their name. I wonder what the supreme creator of the entire universe would have to say about that. In Australia, 4 cheeky rebels blocked a bridge with a canoe, and in America, the Extinction Rebellion saw 70 people arrested for protesting the New York Times' lukewarm reporting on global heating. Also in New York, Archduma and figurehead of the near-term human extinction movement, Guy McPherson, aka the other guy, addressed the City Council about a motion to announce a climate emergency declaration. It is uncertain what the councillors made of McPherson's message that the human race faced irreversible and imminent extinction due to abrupt climate change and the meltdown of hundreds of nuclear power stations, but they went on to pass the climate emergency declaration anyway. In adults under child supervision news, Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General of the United Nations, speaking at a UN-backed World Conference of Ministers responsible for youth, acknowledged that adults had completely dropped the ball on climate change and were now impatiently waiting for children to fix the mess. We need to take a seat at your table, pleaded the aged Secretary General in a frank recognition that the adults had not yet been invited to a seat at the table with the children. And finally, in coal news, a German government committee has recommended shutting down the entire remaining coal-fired power station fleet in the German-speaking nation. Over 20,000 jobs are tied to the remaining 38 coal plants, and the Commission recommends a $45 billion budget to help ease the energy transition by the year 2040. Not fast enough, according to thousands of climate activists who swarmed a coal mine, causing Germanic mayhem. Now that's what I call euthanizing the fossil fuel industry. I'm Guy Lane, and that's the Planet Report.